Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, now this video today is part of a collaboration called Treats and Sweets. And this is being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. We have myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor, Jennifer at Home, Dream with Caroline, May's Design Corner. So if I forgot anybody, guys, I will link them below in the description box. So let me show you what I have here to display for you for the Treats and Sweets collaboration. We're gonna start out here with this beautiful teapot. I did thrift it. What a great body. And then here are my leaf mugs, which I thought matched perfectly. I love that. Okay, so here we have some cake, and this homemade chocolate cake. This is keto friendly with some white frosting. Then we have some cookies right here. One of my favorite cookies too, the Nutter Butter cookies. Okay, and then here we have some butter cookies. That was an assortment for Christmas time. And then in this corner here, we have my sunflower bouquet. We have some greenery right here and my beautiful tea tray. I absolutely love this tea tray. So I thought I would also put out 2 place settings here. But really anyone can come and they can serve themselves. So we have, let me show you what I have here. So we have this black napkin. The napkin rings did come from Kirkland's. Aren't they beautiful, guys? So I got that. The Dollar Tree was carrying these dishes here. So I love this set. And so there is the plate and the dinner plate here. Also came from the Dollar Tree. These chargers. Aren't they beautiful, guys? They have speckles in them. That came from the Dollar Tree as well. And then we have this beautiful placemat that came from Hobby Lobby. So I decided to go ahead and place it like this. Okay. I love this set. It's such a beautiful set. I decided to put that out in case anybody wanted to sit here and serve themselves. Honestly, anybody can serve themselves any way that they want. Just grab some table settings and then just go ahead and enjoy the desserts. And that could either be tea or coffee. I mean, it's a teapot, but you can also have any hot beverage that you enjoy. So this is what my table setting is looking like. And I hope that you guys enjoyed what I put out for you. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.